Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video I will show you how to fix MS Office installation issues while you're using MS Office 2003, 7, 10, 13, 16 or whatever version you are using or whatever Windows you are using. I will show you the 4 easy steps to fix all types of installation problem of MS Office. So first is very easy. I will not confuse you, I will not irritate you. Just follow this simple 4 steps. First step is go to start, and the start just type task scheduler. This is the first one. So open the task scheduler. Okay, fine. Extend this, extend the Microsoft, and double click on Office. Okay, just right click on the Office and delete it. Click on delete folder. This is the first. And now restart your PC and try to install your MS Office. If this not work, go with the second option. Second option is go to start, and here right click on the start and then select the command prompt admin. Okay, then here just copy and paste this code here. Copy and paste this code first time, and again do the same, copy and paste second time like this. Okay, after you do, close this one. Now go to start, and here open the run command by pressing Windows R and type percentage temp percentage like this, and OK. And now click on local, select the temp folder, right click on it, property, and here just follow the instruction. Then security, edit, add, advanced, find now, and here you will get a lot of things. Just select all these available users by pressing shift down arrow key, and then simply click on OK, 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 and OK. So this is the second method. Hope this will fix your problem. If not work, go with the third option. Third option is go to run here. In the run, just type percentage program like this, program data percentage, and hit enter. Okay, now here you will find the Microsoft folder. Double click on it, and here the Office. Just right click and delete it. This is a PC version, so delete it and try to install. This is the third method. If you're still facing problem, go with the fourth option. Fourth option is again go to run, and then command just type appdata percentage like this, hit enter, and here go to Microsoft, and then with the Office. Okay, Office, delete it from Office. So just delete the Office, this folder. And also do one more thing, go to percentage program data like this, and here you will find a one option like program help. Just rename it. So these are last and fourth. Just rename it like dot old. So the fourth you need to rename it dot old. After this, restart your PC and try to install your Office. And the last bonus tip, if you are using previous Office like 2003, 7, and you are going to install 16, that time maybe it will occur the problem because of previous version. So uninstall the previous version and then install the latest version, and then install the your older version. For example, you have Office 7 and you are going to install Office 16. So first you need to install Office 7 and then install Office 16. If you install Office 16 first and then going to install like Office 7, that time it will create problem. So first install the lower version and then install the higher version. That's it. I hope you understand my video. If you have any problem or if you are getting still problem, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.